Kasi, Ara, the last time I did an interview with you dito was at December of last year. Tama, Ardy?
Yes.
December of last year. Pinag-usapan natin si Wami Chongson. At sabi mo, 9 out of 10, pwede kayong magkabalikan. He's good looking, ha? Sandali, boto ka sa kanya nun?
Super.
Super. Okay.
Super talaga.
9 of 10, magkakabalikan kayo. So the question that needs to be answered is, nagkabalikan ba kayo?
Abangan natin yan sa pagbabalik.
I mean, wala naman dapat i-hide na. Everything's out.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Oo, I mean, what's meant is meant, di ba? So paano? I mean, just tell us a little bit. Just tell us what you can. What happened? Napag-usapan? What is the best thing about Wami?
I think we started hanging out kasi last year, and then from then on, hindi naman namin napag-usapan na, oy, let's be together na. Walang ganun eh. Parang, okay na. Naging okay na kami, and then we're always together, and then we do stuff na for girlfriend and boyfriends, like being sweet, and stuff like that. So,
May mga bagay na hindi talaga pinag-uusapan minsan na detalyado, no?